안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I am your Korean mentor. Today we will learn how to say goodbye or see you in Korean. Korean for beginner. Lesson number 4. Goodbye or see you. When you say goodbye in formal or polite Korean, there are two types of expression, and both of these expression have word 안녕. 안녕. So there are two types of expression. The first one is when you are the one who is leaving, and the second one is when you are the one who is staying. If you are leaving and the other person is staying, you can say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. If you are staying and the other person is leaving, you can say 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. So, as you can see, both of these expressions have word 안녕. For now, don't worry about the literary meaning of the expressions and just learn them as they are. But if you are really curious and if we were forced to translate these greetings, they would be translated like this. 안녕히 계세요. Keda means to stay. 안녕 means peace. Stay in peace. 안녕히 가세요. 가다 to go. Go in peace. So don't worry about the literary meaning of this expression. Just learn them as they are. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question and comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. 감사합니다. Thank you.